people in businesses think that they need to have everything prepared before they call. Calling can really save your business and your livelihood. So you don't have to be jumping from job to job, which is only a temporary fix. And right now, I want you all to hear from a man who's helped thousands of people break free from that one of those worst financial situations of their lives. And that man is Hubert Johnson. So how does it work out when people try to prepare before calling?
Well, when they take too much time, or I've had people jump from job to job, but I've also had businesses jump from business to business, and they just keep opening up new EINs, thinking that they can avoid responsibility as far as they continue to change it. It's one of the worst things you can do. Had a case where, again, 3 different EINs used. We had to straighten them all out, connect them all, and the IRS has seen this trick before. There isn't much they haven't already seen. Mm-hmm. So again, we were able to get in there, stop the garnishments, get everything straightened out. But by taking that advice before calling us, that's why they dug themselves such a hole and made their case so much harder. Another example is business owners rely on tax professionals all the time. Bookkeepers, tax preparers. Mm-hmm. Again, we rely on tax professionals because we don't know how to do that. I'm not a plumber. I'm not an electrician. I hire professionals to do what I can't. In this case, he relied on a payroll processing company. So it's a company out of Phoenix. They messed up. A payroll company messed up, and they ended up with a $200,000 payroll tax that they had no way to pay. The IRS is breathing down their throat. And we jumped in feet first, released the garnishments, set up protecting them. We protected not only their business, but their personal accounts. And again, really, not to toot our own horn, but really saved the day for them.
No, absolutely. And it's true. What you do does save a lot of people and their businesses. You've mentioned business a lot, and we can see how this can hurt businesses, not just personal debts. So what if someone is waiting for their tax preparer or CPA and they don't have their bookkeeping or taxes done?
Again, we can get a lot of that information directly from the IRS to help them move forward. And it all starts with a phone call. Give us a call, get us started. Like I said, we charge a flat fee. It doesn't matter if we jump in the case sooner or later. We're going to help them out. But if you call us earlier, you can avoid a lot of these issues. Another case, I had a friend that I've known for years, come to my office because her bookkeeper had completely messed up the books for her business. She had $8,000 taken that she couldn't afford at the time. And so we didn't know whose fault it was, how to fix it. And so right there in that spot, that same afternoon, we did a power of attorney, called the IRS and started figuring it out. We figured it out for her, straightened up the mess for her. But again, we address the garnishments right away. We don't wait. We jump right on it. And again, this helps save her business, which was very important to her.
Absolutely. I'm sure that you have a lot of cases that come in that just seem impossible, at least in the shoes of the clients. But there are definitely some that you've had where they look impossible, they come out with a completely different ending. And those success stories, what can you tell us that they all have in common?
We have the best success when people call us early. Again, we can't say that enough. Call, get good advice early, and we can do a lot to save businesses. We had one where someone called us and our CPA was handling the collections. They didn't really know what they were doing. They hadn't put together the paperwork correctly. Within 2 weeks, we had everything put together. We sat down and did a face-to-face meeting with the revenue officer, cleared everything up, and protected them from all these garnishments and levies that were coming. It's all about sitting down with the tax expert that this is what they do. This is what they specialize in.
So it's important, like you said before, if you don't know how to do plumbing, you call a plumber, right? If you don't know how to navigate the IRS, you want to call an expert like yourself.
Absolutely. It's about getting that good advice early, getting that peace of mind. And every time we win is because the client let us do what we do best, build the case, fight the battle. The earlier, the better. that we can get in there and help protect clients. And I've had large business cases, hundreds of thousands of dollars, where we went in, we got in the case early. One case in particular, we stopped all the collections, all the levies, and afterwards the clients asked us, "Oh, so none of that bad stuff happened. Did we really need you?" I said, "Well, it was all threatened." If you listen to the revenue officer, it was all threatened, but none of it happened because we got in there early. We got it back, and we even got him a $97,000 refund.
That is a lot. Well, it seems that we have a pattern here. We have debt running your life and just chaos everywhere. That's when collection letters start coming through and your wages are garnished, you can't pay your bills. And when you're in a position like that, the thing you want to do is, like Hubert said, make the call sooner rather than later. So go to smartmoneyculture.tv/contact or scan the QR code on your screen or call 855-786-2861 now.